Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply fuel brand filters on the FuelCheck application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, tap on the first option, which is fuel brands filter. And here you can find a bunch of fuel brands that you can select. You can choose more than one. All you have to do is tapping on the relevant brand names and then click on the apply button in the upper right corner of the screen. And then the brands will be selected, meaning that you will only see the prices and these brand options on your map when you are searching for a petrol station, for example. So feel free to update it anytime. So you just come back, and if you would like to delete some of these brands, just simply tap on the check mark icon and then it will be disappear, and click on apply so it will be updated. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.